Okay, how you doing? Harry here again, and ready for another beautiful ride in sunny South Florida. Although it's evening and it's wet out, it's been raining. I really don't care if it's raining or not. I'm riding my unicycle, rain or shine. Anyway, I got two cameras going. Here's the second one starting now, and so we'll get the 360 view, and then I'll push out both videos. And I hope you enjoy the ride. Oh, I feel it. We are having a little rain, light rain. Ground's a little wet. Hopefully the camera's not going to be too wet. Yeah, we got a decent downpour. So you know what? Well, I'll take my usual route through the walk because it's late. There's probably nobody out. Oh, I'm wearing my glasses again, which I don't need except for reading. I'm always working on, phones and cameras, so I'm always wearing my glasses for the little stuff. Make sure you see me. Part of safety. And for those who think right now, I'm driving 20 miles an hour. I don't like driving a motorcycle at 165 miles an hour with no helmet. And to each his own. You gotta have fun, you gotta enjoy life, and I've had a few spills in my day, and I kind of know if I'm gonna go down, I gotta throw my arms out. This should help me with my wrist guards, and considering I'm not gonna be going too fast, it should be okay. Thank you for your concern, but you do you, I do me, and we're all happy. I don't want to wear a helmet. That's it. Simple. Now, that doesn't mean I won't in the future, because I have a couple of badass helmets. I got one Nike Circus that's really sweet, and then I got a full face one with where it lifts up, and it also has a face shield, tinted. It's got Bluetooth, and it's got direction signals in the back. It's pretty sweet. So I might wear that one day. Push this thing to the limit. Like if I'm gonna do a video like where I'm gonna push this thing to over 50 or beeping and all that, chance of crash, yeah, I'm gonna be a little more careful. Alright. Gonna sneak in this way. Looks like I'm gonna make the right to go across, but I'm not gonna sit at the light, but I'm gonna go for a little cruise around because I gotta go that way. Alright, here we go. I'm just gonna go this way a little bit. And then go in right here. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Went a little too far. Making this turn right here under the tree. Oh, look, man. Do a little sightseeing. See, now it's hard, you can't really, I could, but I don't want to push it. Do a U-turn on this small path. If possible. I'm going to just, because I don't want to go through too many puddles, I'm going to just go through this little section over here. Oh, I don't know where I'm going. The light's not even close to turning. It's starting to rain heavier, so nothing I can't handle. Alright, there we go. 20 seconds to go. And the rain's coming down. Probably on the... I'm going to jump this light. Now, these things are made to take a little water like this. I mean, you're not going to go in a deep puddle. But as far as, light rain like this, it's okay. They can handle it. I open up my wheel regularly to check to make sure there's no water ingress, to make sure everything's copacetic. Woo, yeah. Coming down now a little bit. Yeah, I try to avoid the big puddles, some of them you can't help. I just wish I would have put my mud flap in the back to get this water off my back. I hate that. That's the only thing I don't like about the weather. Plus, I'd rather it rain on me hard when I'm going home, not when I'm going to the store or to work. Alright, let's see. Alright, here we go. Let's see if
Like, I'm gonna have to leave this outside because of the rain. Whew. All right, thanks for flying.